Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about something that most men won't admit they want, but secretly do. Yes. You want her to worry about losing you. You want her to think about you, miss you, and wonder if you moved on. Not because you want to play games, but because deep down, you want her to recognize your value. Today, we're going to talk about how to make a woman worry about you, but not through manipulation or deceit. Rather, by shifting your focus back to yourself in a way that naturally commands her attention. Here are 4 powerful psychological and practical hacks that will change the way you approach attraction and relationships. Silence is a statement, not a punishment. Let's start with this. Your silence says more than your words ever could. When a woman becomes used to your constant presence, your text, your calls, your availability, she begins to believe that you'll always be there. But the moment you step back, not in anger, not in ego, but in purpose, her mind begins to spiral. She thinks, why isn't he calling? Is he upset? Has he moved on? And suddenly you're back on her mind. Understand this, silence isn't about ignoring her. It's about reclaiming your space. It's about showing that you are a man who doesn't beg, doesn't chase, and doesn't need to over-explain himself. Silence, when done respectfully and intentionally, creates mystery, power, and curiosity, the exact things that make a woman worry about what you're thinking and what she might have lost. Emotional independence is magnetic. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Emotional neediness repels, while emotional independence attracts. If your world revolves around her, your mood depends on her replies. Your day collapses when she pulls away. She knows she's the center of your emotional universe, and that gives her all the power. But when she sees you thriving emotionally, laughing, building, living, without needing her validation, she starts to feel a subtle discomfort. She begins to wonder, why isn't he chasing me anymore? Why is he so okay without me? And that is when the worry sets in. Remember, a woman only worries about losing a man who doesn't fear being alone. That's when you become rare. That's when she leans in, not because you pulled back, but because you rose up. The power of disruption, break the predictability. Most men fall into patterns and women notice. You text at 8, I am in. You call every night, you reply within seconds. But when the pattern disrupts, the mind awakens. A simple shift like skipping a routine text, posting a photo with friends instead of replying, being unavailable. When she expects you, these minor shifts cause a major effect. Why? Because the human brain craves certainty. And when that certainty disappears, anxiety grows. She begins to worry. She begins to investigate. She begins to care again. You didn't ghost her. You simply changed the rhythm. And that's how you regain attention without saying a single word. Purpose is your most attractive fragrance. Let me leave you with this. A man on purpose is unforgettable. When you begin focusing on your goals, your growth, and your mission, you become a man who's hard to replace. You're no longer chasing her, you're chasing your destiny. And nothing makes a woman more curious than a man who seems to be going somewhere powerful without her. She worries not because you vanished, but because your presence is no longer begging for hers. You've created a life so fulfilling that she starts to question, what did I miss? What if he becomes someone huge without me? That's not manipulation, that's magnetism. That's not revenge, that's reinvention. And that's how you reclaim your power, by making her realize that you're not someone to keep on a shelf. So gentlemen, if you want to make a woman worry about you, don't chase, don't explain, don't perform. Disrupt the pattern, rise in purpose, and reclaim your emotional power, because the real secret is this. A woman only begins to worry when she realizes the man she once knew is no longer the man she can predict. Thank you. Most men underestimate the power of silence. They assume that in order to keep a woman interested, they need to constantly engage, constantly affirm, and always be present. But what they fail to realize is that silence, when used with intention, communicates confidence, emotional strength, and self-respect. You see, When you're always available, always replying, always the first to initiate, you become predictable. And predictability breeds comfort. Comfort breeds complacency. Eventually, she stops wondering about you because she already knows what you'll do next. But when you withdraw, not out of spite, but out of self-awareness, you create space. And that space gives birth to thought. She starts asking questions. Why isn't he calling today? Did I say something wrong? Is he busy? Or is he losing interest? The mind naturally fills silence with assumptions. And in relationships, those assumptions create emotional movement. She begins to wonder about you, not because you shouted, begged, or gave ultimatums, but because you quietly, calmly, and respectfully stepped back. This doesn't mean you cut her off or give her the silent treatment to punish her. That's manipulation. No, this is different. This is about you pulling your energy back to yourself. It's about creating enough distance that she's reminded you're not someone who needs to fight for her attention. You're someone who offers presence. And if that presence is taken for granted, it can be withdrawn without drama. And it's in that silence that you often regain respect. Because when a woman realizes that you're not emotionally dependent on her responses, that you're not chasing her approval or reacting out of fear of abandonment, she's forced to reflect. She begins to see you through a different lens, not as the guy who's desperate to keep her, but as the man who values himself enough to walk away from energy that isn't reciprocated. Silence, when rooted in self-worth, is a powerful communicator. It doesn't need to be loud to be heard. In fact, the quieter you become, the more she starts to listen. Not to your words, but to your absence. And often, that absence speaks louder than anything you could have said. One of the most attractive qualities a man can develop is emotional independence. It's the ability to remain stable, centered, and secure, even when things around you feel uncertain. The truth is, many men fall into the trap of emotional dependence without realizing it. They attach their mood, their self-esteem, and their sense of worth to how a woman responds to them. When she's warm, they feel validated. When she pulls away, they spiral. And this emotional roller coaster creates a dynamic where she holds all the power. But here's what most people don't talk about. The moment a woman realizes that your happiness depends entirely on her, she no longer feels the need to invest the same way. Why? Because she knows you won't leave. She knows she can withdraw, ignore, delay, and you'll still be there waiting, hoping, chasing. That certainty makes her comfortable, and comfort rarely sparks desire. However, when you begin to show up as a man who is emotionally grounded, who can experience disappointment without collapsing, who doesn't seek constant reassurance, who stays calm and focused even when things are unclear, something shifts. She starts to feel a little uneasy. She begins to wonder what you're thinking, what you're doing, and more importantly, why you're not reacting the way she expected. That's when she begins to worry, not because you're playing a game, but because you've reclaimed your emotional power. You no longer live for her responses, you live for your purpose. And when a woman sees that you can hold space for your own emotions without relying on her to manage them, she recognizes that she's dealing with someone rare, someone who is whole on his own. People thrive on pattern. We find comfort in predictability. It's why you check your phone at certain times, why you expect replies in a particular rhythm, and why you feel secure when things follow a familiar path. The same is true in relationships, especially romantic ones. When someone gets used to your patterns, they stop being curious. They stop wondering. They stop feeling the same urgency and emotional investment they once did. And this is where most men unknowingly lose their power, not because they did anything wrong, but because they became too predictable. You might be texting her every morning, calling every night, liking all her posts, responding immediately when she messages. Over time, this behavior creates an unspoken assumption. He's always going to be there. And once she believes that, she no longer worries about losing you because your energy feels guaranteed. This is where the power of disruption comes in. Disruption means breaking that pattern just enough to create emotional friction, the kind that wakes someone up. It doesn't mean ghosting her or cutting her off. It means you stop operating on autopilot. You no longer reply instantly. You take time to respond. You don't initiate conversations just because it's routine. Maybe you miss a good night text, not to be petty, but because you're genuinely busy or prioritizing something else in your life. When the rhythm changes, so does the energy. She starts to notice the absence of what she once expected. She wonders, did I do something wrong? Is he pulling away? Is something changing? And in that moment, she's no longer in control of the emotional current. She's reacting to it. She begins to pay closer attention. She starts overanalyzing your silence, your delay, your distance. You've shifted the dynamic from being the one who always reassures to being the one who now evokes curiosity and subtle concern. And that's where the worry begins. Not because you manipulated her, but because you reminded her of something important. Your presence is not guaranteed. It's a gift, not a given. And disruption works because it triggers the psychological principle of scarcity. What's always available is rarely appreciated. But once it's scarce, once the access to your energy feels uncertain, it gains value. She begins to see you differently. You're no longer the predictable guy who shows up like clockwork. You're now the man who could walk away if he isn't respected, valued, or prioritized. And that creates emotional movement. She'll either lean in more, start to match your energy, or at the very least begin to worry that your silence means something, that something has changed, that she might actually be losing you. And sometimes that shift is all it takes to reawaken the attraction and emotional investment she once had. Not because you played a game, but because you stopped playing the same role over and over again. There's nothing more captivating than a man who is focused, a man who is so deeply aligned with his goals, his vision, and his growth that he becomes untouchable. Purpose is not just about having a job or making money. It's about having direction. It's about knowing who you are, where you're going, and refusing to let distractions detour you. When a woman observes a man who is deeply rooted in his purpose, her perception of him changes. He's no longer the man waiting for her attention. He's the man building something, building himself. And that by itself creates worry. Why? Because your time becomes valuable. Your energy becomes sacred. You're no longer available at her convenience because you have a mission that doesn't wait for validation or affection to keep moving forward. It forces her to evaluate her own role in your life. Is she supporting your purpose or distracting you from it? Is she an addition or an interruption? These are the kinds of internal reflections your presence begins to evoke when you embody purpose. Women are instinctively drawn to men who are self-driven, who are constantly evolving, who don't need a relationship to feel whole. It's not because you're emotionally distant, it's because your life is already full. And when she realizes she's not the center of your world, but simply a part of it, she begins to worry. Not because you're punishing her, but because she knows a man like you is rare. And rare things are hard to keep unless they are deeply valued. Purpose doesn't just elevate your life. It elevates how you're seen, remembered, and desired. So what does it really mean to make a woman worry about you? It's not about games, manipulation, or revenge. It's about stepping fully into your identity as a man who values himself. A man who does not chase affection, but attracts it through his presence, his standards, and his purpose. When you learn to be silent with intention, when you develop emotional independence, when you disrupt predictable patterns, And when you commit fully to your growth, you shift the energy in any relationship. You stop being the man she assumes will always be there, and you become the man she starts to fear losing. And that fear, that worry, it doesn't come from cruelty. It comes from clarity, from you knowing who you are and refusing to shrink, to be tolerated. When a woman sees that you are willing to walk away from being taken for granted, that you're building something with or without her, she can't help but take notice. Because deep down, we all worry about losing what is rare, what is strong, and what is unshakably grounded. So don't set out to make her worry with force. Make her worry by simply becoming the kind of man who doesn't need her to validate his worth, but who chooses her only if she matches the value he already carries within. Be silent with strength. Be emotionally whole. Be unpredictable in your growth. Be devoted to your purpose. And you'll find that the right woman won't just worry about losing you. She'll fight to keep you. Thank you.